Hey everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back for another video here on my YouTube channel. Today we have the Pink and Main. You know I love these kits. This is the May 2021 Pink and Main kit, and I've sort of seen bits of it, but not a lot of it. So I am going to be just as surprised as you if you haven't seen it yet. But it's been out, so let's jump into it. They always come in this really pretty pink box. And Michelle always does such a good job of having them all boxed up with the pretty paper. And then, ooh, check it out. Okay, so I'm going to pull it out and we're going to go through bit by bit what comes in this kit. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I can already tell you I'm in love. Already tell you I'm in love. Okay. So let's pull out our card first, and then we'll talk about that. Okay, this one is called Butterfly Kisses, and look at that card that comes in. Sweet friend, I cannot wait to see you soar. This is an absolutely gorgeous card front already. So just slap this onto the front of a card base, and you already have a card to send to a friend. How sweet is that? But the back, before you do that, take a look at the back. So this is our May 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit called Butterfly Kisses. It tells you what comes in the kit, and then here's your color palette. I love that we know what our color palette is, because I take this color palette and I go through my stash of stuff, whether it be like Nuvo drops or my markers or watercolors or just any embellishments that you might have, ink pads, and pull out which ones I think are going to match that. And then I'm all ready to go because I love matchy-matchy. That's why these kits are like right up my alley. So, and then, yeah, it tells you everything else that's on it. So there we go. Very beautiful. And if that's an indication, I think we're going to love what comes in this kit. So let me set that off to the side. Let me set that off to the side. Like that. And then let's pull out, for starters, our flare. It's a cute little button, or a little flare button. Check it out. Really beautiful butterfly. I like how it's all flowers on one side and the butterfly wing on the other. Super cute. So we have that. Let's go through our cardstock. Take a look at our colors a little bit. We've got a couple sheets. Well, let's look here. We've got, 2 sheets of ice rink cardstock. This is the white cardstock, 8.5 by 11. We have a full sheet of glitter cardstock. This stuff is great. Nothing's coming off on my hands. And it's a beautiful green color. Then we have, oh goodness, this color. Oh, let's do them this way, because this stuff tells the name. This is the Basil Fig Swirl. I love the Basil cardstock. Fig Swirl. It is a smooth cardstock. We have the Typhoon Blue, and that has like a weave pattern to it. A little bit of texture on there, which is great. Ooh, I'm so excited because we have dots. We've got Slipper by Basil, and that has the pink dots on it. Then we have Tunisian Princess, which is one of my favorites. That's in here, and then we also have the Grape Jelly, and these 3 are dots. Love it. This color palette is gorgeous. That is just gorgeous. Okay, so that is our color palette. Let me set that off to the side, and let's pull out embellishments. Oh my goodness. Check out our sequin mix. Oh, it has some little flower sequins. We've got those in pinks and purples. We have some very tiny little turquoise ones. We have, oh, we even have blue flowers. We have some lime green sequins. We have tiny little, oh, this is the best. We have butterflies, and they have like, some of them are like just almost look like glass, and some of them have like a prismatic effect to them. This is an absolute stunner. I cannot wait to use this. I may use it in a shaker. I don't know yet, but I'm in love with that. Love that. Okay, so that is gorgeous. Our glitter dots. This is the Butterfly Kisses Enamel Dots, and these ones are glitter ones. So they have like the whole color palette. I love that. You guys know I love these. And this blue has me feeling some kind of way, I'm telling you. That is pretty. And then we have like some clear ones, almost purple pink, like a lime green yellowy one, and then that turquoise. I'm in love. I love these. So that, oh, check this out. All right, so this is a bonus, it says. These are the Gem Picker Wax Pencils. This will help you pick up your sequins individually. And it looks like it's one of those where to sharpen it, you just pull. I don't know if you remember those from art school or art class or anything like that. You just pull and then it'll wind down, but that's cool. All right, so you get 2 of them in there and that's great. Okay. All right, let's take a look at our paper pad. Oh, that is a stunner. Okay, so it's the Butterfly Kisses 6x6 paper pad, 24 sheets. They are double-sided. This one I'm gonna want to hoard. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you. You know, every month I'm like, I love this color palette. This is the best. And then the next month comes out, and I'm like, I love this color palette more. Okay, so let's go through them. Oh yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Check it out. Beautiful butterfly, so we'll do that. Then the back one, oh, that is super pretty. Almost looks like a desert scene. I like that. Oh, we have like a watercolor look. Ooh, almost like a water scene. Those pretty butterflies on almost like a burlap. The pink. See, I love that. Oh, and these stripes, diagonal stripes. Purple. We're hitting them all. Some dots in stripes. Best of both worlds. Yes, we are legitimately hitting them all. I love it. Love it. Okay. That butterfly, that is beautiful. Ooh, and then just like some burlap. And then we got some dots. You know, I love me some dots. Yep. Mama likey. Mama likey. Oh, that is pretty. It's like that boho effect. Oh, pretty. Yes. Oh. This is just hitting out of the park. Hitting out of the park. I love that. Oh, this one. Oh, that one. I may have to hoard that one. So I'm in love. I don't know if you gathered that, but this is fabulous. I really like this one. I mean, I know I say that every month, but I really like this one. Okay. Bring it down. Okay, love that. Let's move on to our stencil. Oh, and it's butterflies. Oh my gosh, I love that. That's pretty. I don't have a butterfly one. I have a million stencils, but not a butterfly one. And then, oh, I like that they're doing this. Oh, we have the 6x6 embossing folder, and it is like a sunburst. That is super cool. So, I like that a lot. This one's called the Sunray Embossing Folder. So fabulous. So fabulous. All right, and let's get into the stamp set. I think you can gather what it probably is if you haven't seen it already. Oh, man. That is big and beautiful. So this is going to measure, let me do it this way. From one end to the other, it is about 4.5 inches. So that is going to be bigger than if you were to try and have your card front like this. So it would be too big for that unless you did it sideways, but it's going to fit like all across the front of your card if you have it the other way. And then up and down, we've got, it's about almost 3.5 inches. So that is a big stamp, and it is beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous. This would be a fun one to color. It'd also be great with embossing powders. I can see this just being used for so many things. So, oh, and the sentiments. Be the change you want to see in the world. That is one of my absolute favorite sentiments anyway. I love that. Without change, there would be no butterflies. You've got this. Butterfly kisses and best wishes. I believe in you. I cannot wait to see you soar. Spread your wings and dream big. I don't know why this has me feeling all emotional, but I love this, and I love the style of those sentiments. This is a winner. All right, and let's pull in the matching die. I love that Pink and Vein is doing this. You have your full big die to cut your butterfly out. That will give you so many options. And then our words, that's great. We have sweet and friend. Oh my gosh, this one, I love this. If I have time tomorrow, I am going to be working on it for sure. Maybe even time today, we'll see. We're heading out of town for a week to go camping. And so I'm opening this right before we go. I may have it scheduled for while we're gone, but just know that it might be a few days before I actually have a video ready with all this stuff. But I cannot wait to dig into this. I'm going to stamp out a bunch and take it with me camping because this, I just love this. I love this. All right, can't say that enough, right? Okay, so if you liked this video, be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. I'm going to put all these goodies back in my little bag that everything comes in. And then I'm going to take this with me. This is why these bags are so amazing. Take this with you to go. I'm going to take this with me to go camping, and then hopefully I can make some cards while I'm gone. But you guys have an awesome week. I will, in video land, be back in a few days, but I will see you next week. You guys are awesome. All right. Bye, everybody.